So we're getting quite a complex video now. We've got transitions in it, we've got call outs in it, we've got title clips in it. Just want to go through a few more things. Let's say that you've got a really long video and halfway through that video, that segment of video, you want to split it, maybe because you want to add a new title clip or you want to have another transition. So you can actually split your video at any point. So if I wanted to, I can move my playhead to any position I want to, and then I can click here and split that video. Now there's lots of reasons I might want to do that. One of them might be because I might want to delete a certain part of the video. So again, if I just bring in this, gonna zoom out so we can see a little bit clearer the different parts of the video that we got. Now we've split this video, and we might say, okay, so we cut that video here. We might select that area and say, right, I want to cut that out completely. I don't want that part of the video in. Again, I could click on that part of the video, it's a lot longer part, and cut that out. So if I wanted to click here and say, right, that part here, I'm actually going to cut that out. I just click on the cut button and that video is now cut out completely. So this editing tool can be really useful. It's just going to kind of move down again. Let's do another example. So we're moving along the video, we've got this far, and let's say we decide this last part here, we don't need it. We can split the video and then select that area, make sure it's selected, and then just simply cut it out. Now the way that you really work a lot of the time when you're using these split and cut tools is to really zoom in, because there might be a very specific little bit of sound or something that you really want to get rid of. Let's imagine, let's just take an example. So let's just move here and we're listening, and I'm listening to it, and I decide I want to stop it there, and I don't want this very last part. Now what I can do is I can zoom in really close, okay, to that part of this of the window, and say to myself, right, this last section here, okay, I want to get rid of it. Just so I'm going to I've got this is another video, and this is this one, so I'm going to click, sorry, this part from here to here. So I'm going to split that first. Okay, so I've got that little part there now, and and I'm going to now click on that, and I'm going to delete that part. Okay, now I can do this to quite a level of accuracy because I can zoom right in on different parts of the screen and really literally cut out just a word. You can see here where I'm speaking. So it's a very useful tool in terms of very accurately cutting and editing your window. And the nice thing to try to do, to keep in mind, is do that before you start adding your call outs, and do that before you start adding all your other media onto your window. Get the cuts and sorted out at the beginning. When you cut, because your video and your audio are together, they will be smoothly cut out, the video and the audio together, because they're linked. You can unlink them, but it's not a good idea to do, particularly when you're cutting out. It's very likely that you're going to want to cut the audio and the video in exactly the same place.